This is some Chinese place. Looks like
Where are
it.
you from?
Huh? Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yeah.
You are Muslim?
Muslim. Alhamdulillah. And this is the food I'm going to eat. And she said it's a 3,000 and for drink is a 1,000 tenge. So it's altogether 4,000 tenge. I don't know how much it will be in dollar. Thank you, thank you. Those trolley buses runs on electric and they are very organized. Look at this. If I say Almaty is a city of public transport, so it will be not wrong. Many people use public transport. The buses and they run like very frequent. There are a lot of them. You can see even like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and 6, 7, another one is 8, and 10. So many buses, so many people here. They use public transport which is very cheap. This is 30 cents or something like that a ride. And most of the time, driver and those people, they don't care if you scan the card or not. They just trust you. So that's how it works. So many people are standing.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Almaty Theater, National Kazakh Theater.
It sound right, boys.
Just turned off. Just a few seconds ago. It started again.
Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Just ordered a Burger King from the machine. It was not easy. And,
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
And that is about 3,900 tenge. It's about $6-7. Number is A40. The cashier was able to speak English, so thanks God. The Burger King, Kazakhstan, Almaty. Double chicken burger. Fries for the medium kind and drink $38.
It sound right,